Good morning. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Monday, the 24th of February, 2025. Here's the synoptic from lunchtime yesterday. You can see this low pressure has really got itself wound up, bringing strong winds across the UK yesterday with plenty of rain from sort of late afternoon throughout the night. And indeed, it's only just clearing up now, the back end of the front going through as we speak. So there's midnight last night into lunchtime today, and we're expecting a trough to be coming through early afternoon, bringing the weather you would associate with the trough, thunderstorms and heavy showers. We'll run that through midnight tonight and into tomorrow. We can see it clears up. The isobars are spreading out. There's a high pressure forming down the Azores Way, which looks like it's just starting to ridge up towards the UK, which could give us quite a nice day tomorrow. Quick look at SATPIC. You can see the back end of the front there starting to move out to the east of us. And indeed, when we look at the rain radar, you can see the rain moving with that front, and that should be through reasonably soon. Rain forecast, we can see that by about 11 o'clock, the worst of it should be through our area, but it does break up into showers, and there's a lot of showers tracking our way in the afternoon. Some of them will be quite heavy and thundery. The Odium TAF, they're forecasting 240 12 knots, greater than 10K visibility, with few clouds at 2,000 feet, broken at 4,500 feet. And then temporarily by 11 o'clock, 6 kilometers visibility in rain, broken at 2,000 feet with a 40% chance between 8 and 12. Scattered cloud at 1,200 feet, broken at 2,500 feet, and a 30% chance in a similar period, the visibility down at 3.5 kilometers in heavy rain. Scattered clouds at 500 feet, broken at 2,000 feet, and then temporarily this afternoon between 11 and 5 o'clock, forecast wind 250-16, gusting 26. Visibility down to 7 kilometers and showers and rain, scattered clouds at 1,700 feet, and then a 30% chance that temporarily between 12 and 5, 3.5 kilometers visibility and heavy showers and rain with broken cunims at 1,400 feet. Farnborough forecasting 210-11 knots, greater than 10K visibility, scattered at 2,500 feet with a 30% chance that between now and 10 o'clock, visibility down to 8 kilometers and heavy rain, light rain. 30% chance that between 10 and 3 this afternoon, the wind's going to go around to 230-16, gusting 26 knots. Viz down to 4 kilometers and heavy showers and rain, broken at cunims at 1,200 feet. And if we have a quick look at the the spot winds to the north of us and the south of us, 250, 20 knots at 1,000 feet, and to the south, 250, 30 knots at 1,000 feet. Windy, they're showing southwesterly for pretty much the whole day, maybe going around west-southwesterly later on, reasonably strong winds, and gusting up into the sort of 20s. If we have a look at the local area forecast from the Met Office, they're also showing sort of 10, 11, 12 knots throughout the day, gusting into the 20s throughout the day. They're showing the back end of the frontal rain going through about 9 o'clock, but then breaking up into showers around about lunchtime for the best part of the afternoon. GFS forecasting 12 centigrade with the dew point down at 8. Currently, we have just over 8 degrees centigrade here with the dew point just below 7. Quick look at the camera on the south side towards the west. We can use southwesterly wind is already quite brisk, and there's still a fair bit of low cloud around. That sort of meets up with Sky Sight's forecast early on there, and they're suggesting that perhaps later in the day cloud base might get up to about 2,000 feet for a short while. And if we have a quick look at top meteo, you can see the back end of the front clearing through there about 10, 11 o'clock. But you can also see the cunims that are forecast coming into the area later on in the afternoon. No times then, 12 and 23 are Oakhanger and Welford. They're rats for the exclusion of UESs. 16 out to the west is Winchester, live firing, the danger being from surface to about 1100 feet MSL. Out to the east, Rushmore flares, that's after 5 o'clock this afternoon. And 20 is Ash Ranges, Delta 132 is active today. Let's take a quick look at the sort of local airfield briefing. We'll start with the ODM cross section, split it into 2 different sections here. Sort of prior to lunchtime, you can see the back end of the front weather there. That's going to clear through, and into the afternoon we've got the weather that's associated with that trough, which is the QNIMs and showers. We've also got a strong wind warning down here, 26 knots, and a thunderstorm warning to contend with. Bookings today is 1K21 booked on instructional flying, 1K21 on casual list. There's a K21 with club members as well. I think we'll share that one if we go out. There is single seater availability today. There's nobody on the casual list, and the simulator is available as per usual. Couple of church notices: no parking. Please remain clear of the red zone today. It's for your own safety as well as for the assistance of moving the old reception building. There's going to be a big crane and low loader and lots of work going on in that area. Please stay clear. And also Wednesday night, there's a quiz night. I guess the main thing is it starts at 7 p.m. It's in the bar, and there's a jackpot of £150 at least to be won. Movements today, 13:30 departure, 13:50 arrival. Need to be off the runway for both of those. So the general situation is there's persistent rains clearing, returning to showers later on. We've got strong winds, possible QNIMs, thunderstorms. We'll be on runway 27 hard. If we go out, cables on the boom to the south, air is towing on the north. It's a wet operation today, so the preference will be left-hand circuits onto the hard, landing south of the centre line. Do not land towards obstructions or vehicles. And as a last resort, a right-hand circuit onto 27 north grass. It's the drier of the 2 sides, but the grass is still soft and wet, and avoid using a wheel brake unless it's absolutely necessary. Please do not land or taxi on the disused runways, which are shown here in red. And of course, please clean your gliders at the end of the day. So, launch point vehicle displaced forwards, as are the winch launch point and the area tow launch point on the runway shown there. The cables will be on the side of the runway. Left-hand circuits to land on the hard, right-hand circuits to land on the grass. That's it for me today. If we do go out, please keep it safe, look after the canopies and the wind, that kind of thing. Do have lots of fun, enjoy yourself, and I shall see you in the clubhouse shortly. Thanks a lot. Bye.